I'm now going to demonstrate the snap button die for the hand press machine. This is a 4-part die: socket, cap, stud, post, female, male. Now, just to save time, I have my socket and my cap in this machine. My stud and my post are over here. I began by placing 2 small holes opposite ends of my faux leather belting. I'm going to take a cap, place it through one of the holes and into the base of my die. Take a socket, place it on top, push down on the handle. Look at how easy that was, and we're halfway through. Now I'm going to take my post, place it through the other hole and into the base of this die. Going to take my stud, place it on top of the post, press down on the handle. Finished. Look at how nice and professional that looks. Very quick, very easy. This is an incredibly useful die. It's great for clothing and repair, leather-made jewelry, handbags, wallets, anything that needs closure. Now it comes in this bag, labeled, individually bagged, numbered, comes with a set of instructions. Very easy, you won't get confused with that. Over here, I have one of my cuffs with a snap closure. Look how nice that looks. The stud dies are also available. You can find this, Minkus Margo, on Etsy or eBay, and the links will be below. Thank you.